Yesterday morning, it was an honor and a privilege to welcome His Majesty King Misuzulu of Zulitini of Amazulu, along with his esteemed royal delegation and traditional leaders from South Africa to State House in Harare. Zanabena mashikobuda panguva ino tiona President Mnangagwa vachisangana aiwa panguva ino nema kings from South Africa. And all subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panguva ino parikuonekwa kunzi President Mnangagwa is suspected of forming or transition to a kingdom. Panguva ino mobudani kwa mchinzi. Our meeting reinforces the deep historical and unbreakable culture bonds that unite the people of Zimbabwe and South Africa. Traditional leadership remains a cornerstone of our African identity, preserving our rich heritage and guiding our communities toward peace and unity. Zimbabwe continues to open its doors to our regional brothers and sisters as we strengthen these fundamental ties. We look forward to continued collaboration, mutual respect, and shared prosperity between our nations. Tokona Ministry of Publicity Zoinoposo Ichiti. He came here with a very powerful delegation, which also included King Ndamase. They are all from Eastern Cape. This is the area where these have been some tensions, making Africans fight against each other. They feel that as kings, they have a role to play, and they respect President Emmerson Mnangagwa as a regional leader, as a liberation fighter of standing, and they didn't want their message to be filtered through third parties. They requested for a personal audience with the President of Zimbabwe, and they had a very successful meeting in many days. SANP spokesperson Ambassador Christopher Mchangwa. Roma developments are kubuda muri Zimbabwe panhau President Mnangagwa achisangana aiwa nema kingdoms onchitema kings from South Africa. Recommendation videos of video in more pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musanga subscribe or like onchito on the bell icon.